Montgomery County is on the cutting edge of new, expanded educational opportunities for its students. In a joint venture between Montgomery County Schools, Montgomery Community College, and the Montgomery County Board of Commissioners, construction has begun on a new Central High School and Career and Technical Education Center. Montgomery County has already invested $73 million into this project, which will boast state-of-the-art learning facilities, new educational offerings with the ability for program additions and expansions, allowing students the opportunity to earn certificates and industry-recognized credentials addressing skills gaps. The partnership between Montgomery County Schools and Montgomery Community College continues to prove beneficial for students. Currently, there are 10 Career and College Promise students on track to graduate with an associate's degree, 12 Career and College Promise students on track to complete their transfer pathway, 13 Career and College Promise students on track to complete their career and technical education certificates. 2 Montgomery County Early College 11th grade students will complete an Industrial Systems Technology certificate. And within the year, Montgomery County Early College will take in its final class to reach capacity of 240 students. And currently, 170 Career and College Promise students are enrolled within the county. As the partnership between Montgomery Community College and Montgomery County Schools continues to strengthen, there is a need for additional faculty to serve its students. In order to do so, the college is requesting a one-time amount of $396,000 to hire 6 new faculty members, along with a one-time amount of $115,000 to go towards one position within Montgomery County Schools, and for transportation for the first year, and a final request for legislative action to allow Montgomery County Schools to modify the start date of their academic year. With your help and support, Montgomery County will have the ability to take an educational dream and turn it into an educational reality for students both today and tomorrow. Help us to continue to make Montgomery County a golden opportunity. Thank you.